Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun where we're going to be having a look at this. This basically is one of those dash cams, and this one's from Laser and it's a full 1080p dash cam. It's quite a cheap model. It's got various features as you can see on the side here. So basically what I want to do is an unboxing and then I'll show you the vision from this dash cam. Anyway, let's get in the box, see what we've got, and we'll go from there. So the first thing out the box is a bit of paperwork. We've got a thank you from Laser for purchasing, and then we've got a very small manual which will show you how to operate this dash cam. So they're the first two things that came out that box. Next is a series of cables. So we've got a micro to USB cable here, and then we've got the charging cable, operating cable, which is also micro, and this one will go into your power adapter on your car, which used to be your cigarette lighter or whatever it is nowadays. But basically this will supply power to the dash cam. So they're the next two items. And finally we've got the dash cam itself, and as you can see it's quite an interesting design and it's not very big, which is what I like about it. So it's got a 1.5 inch LED screen on the back of it, and then you've got a micro SD slot for your memory card, and up and down controls, a micro USB port on the bottom that supplies power to the dash cam. You've got a menu button and an OK button, and then you've got your power switch. Now the suction mount also houses the micro USB port, because this is actually a live suction mount. So this is kind of important because this actually supplies power to the dash cam. So that's quite a neat feature on this. Okay, so let's go and have a look at some vision from this dash cam and see if it's actually something you want. Now it is only a budget dash cam, so I'm not going to do an in-depth review of all the features. Basically I just want to show you what the vision's like for day and night, and then we'll just wrap the video up. Well, there you go, there's my look at the Laser dash cam, and overall it's not bad, but it's pretty average. I mean, it is a very cheap dash cam and the build quality of the unit is pretty bad. It tends to have a connection issue every so often, which is a bit annoying, so I can't really recommend this. I look for other dash cams. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.